त्यांनी काढायला सांगितलं सगळ्यांची. हो, प्रत्येकाचा फोटो काढा आणि त्या ग्रुपवर टाका.
अटेंडन्स शीट पाहिजे.
हो ना, काय करूया आता, व्हॉट्सॲपवरच चालू झालं. पण त्यांचा नाही जिओ मग साधा ते फाईलला आहेत तिथं बसून करते का? आणि तुम्ही त्या ग्रुपला आहात का त्याच्यावर अपलोड करायचं. थांबा थांबा, शूटिंग चालू. हां चालू आहे.
So as we embark upon this last phase of this stage activity, AICT adult sponsored activity on emerging technologies So in the last phase of this 6-day faculty development program on emerging technologies and 5G communication and beyond, I would like to take this opportunity to just take you brief through all the sessions that we have attended. So our exploration began with our keynote speaker, Dr. Jayanta Mukherjee, enlightening us on the candidate technologies shaping the future of 5G and beyond. Dr. Arnab Das then steered our attention to communication protocols in marine science. The day two saw Dr. P.H. Rao dive deep into the challenges and India's initiative in the realm of 5G, while Mr. Manish Khandelwal elaborated us on the networking technologies for 5G. Day 3, with Ms. Kumkum Datta's session on enabling Industry 4.0 through the private and enterprise 5G, widened our perspective on integrating these technologies in industrial landscapes. Dr. Sanjay Upadhyay on day 4 then guided us on the sales management with his program followed by Dr. Shaumish Thapure navigating us through the quantum digital cryptography for 5G networks. Day 5 was a blend of insightful experiences from the industrial visit to diet, an enlightening session by Dr. K.P. Ray to Professor Rajashri Rao's discussion on cognitive radio and technology. Throughout this journey, we had the hands-on demonstration with LabVIEW led by Mr. Rohan Kanitkar, providing the practical insights into the implementation of 5G technologies. To take this FDP to its great success, we have the wonderful participation by all the participants who brought the incredible enthusiasm, engaged in fantastic discussions that made the session truly enjoyable. The fun-filled quiz added a delighted spark in the article discussion session, and the visit commute was also memorable. So today in our final session, with this, I would like to, or we all would like to hear from all of you your feedback if you want to share with us. If any of the participants wants to come ahead and just give us the feedback, you all are welcome. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of all participants, I would like to thank the organizers for organizing this wonderful workshop. Being a faculty, I am very being the faculty of engineering college, I am aware of the difficulties and hurdles that we face while organizing such workshops. And this adult workshop has taken the adult workshop has taken they are having now new norms, and it has taken it to the completely different level altogether. Right from the initial start of the FDP, the way it was communicated to us, the way they contacted us whenever we had difficulties, and also during the FDP, whether it is announcement regarding the timings, the venue, everything was conveyed to us well in advance. It was smiling, cooperative, very cooperative faculty members. And the choice of the speakers was really great. All the sessions were very good, very informative. Personally, I liked the one by Dr. P.H. Samir. Since I worked in Samir for a short stint, it was close to my heart. I also liked the one which Dr. Sanjay Upadhyay. It was a light and good session. Today's session was also very good, but it gave a totally, completely different aspects, different perspective of industry. The other ones, the cryptography by Dr. Shravani Shakuvedan, yesterday's Dr. Rajesh Meeta, all the sessions were excellent, excellent. I must congratulate the organizers for selection of speakers and management of the workshop. So really well. So from the bottom of my heart, I would like to congratulate and thank all of you. Thank you. If at all, there is actually no suggestions. But just standing here, I have to give a suggestion. Just for the article discussion was not the main high point. Because otherwise, what we do is we come for the FDP, we just sit, we listen. But that's about it. Why article discussion, we have to go through the paper and discuss whatever you know with your co-members. That was a high part, that I really liked it very well. The only suggestion is, please, either you keep the paper small. We are not able to read the complete this thing. And it came as a, I won't say shock, but it came as a surprise. So whatever we could read, but that was really a very commendable effort. And if at all, very difficult, but if you want to keep such papers, then if all participants could meet you in a Google Meet before FDP. Sure. Then, but it is very difficult. I know. Tomorrow, if I have to organize such a Atal workshop, it is very difficult. But just a suggestion that if you could have such meet, then everybody would be on the same page. Right? Yes. That's about it. And I hope everybody was very, very helpful in every aspect. I cannot pinpoint a single place or single point where, single issue where it was not done. It was done to the profession. Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone else? Yes, sir, please.
Respected coordinators, and all those faculty members. When this session was started, I was very eager to know each and every topic of it. Because basically I have worked in digital communication domain, digital radio, I am very much familiar with it. And almost all the components of the digital radio and related networks I have handled, and I have actually taught to all my students also. So I was very eager to know what are the new concepts that are being that will be taught. And I am very happy while going from here that whatever the teachers there or whatever the planning of all this team was very excellent. And what I was expecting from this such type of a seminar, that is totally fulfilled. And I am very happy with all these teachers. Secondly, I must appreciate all the. I see various great efforts have been taken by the coordination of all these people, and they are very they are very much synchronized. So their efforts are very much synchronized. That is most appealing thing I want to express. All were working very jointly, and there was no problem that we faced during this thing. The memorial thought of the last lecture by Dr. Syed sir, that was a very amazing thing, and amazing from point of view that from my personal point of view, I am seeing each project as a combination of hardware, software, and some linking, some new ideas maybe taken from from ourselves, of our friends and all these things, and then we just gathered and make some useful application. It was limited up to that extent only, but the social awareness flavor was not included in that one. So 2 lectures I am fascinated about that. One is regarding the Sagar underwater communication, and the last one. So these 2 lectures have drastically changed the vision of. Actually, I am talking about myself because most of you may have that vision, but that vision is changed of totally looking at the social activity. So I am once again thank you very much for all of you for me and the coordinator. One thing I want to suggest for the coordinators, I don't know whether how it is being organized and that I don't know. Sorry for that. But one thing I definitely want that we have seen when we see how the 5G radios will look like, how the 5G network will look like. Just like we can visit some 5G substation or the MSC. So if that type of say one tour organized, then it will be very beneficial for us. Because see what will happen. When you see the 5G radios, you can take that all the circuit diagram, block details from it, that those are available. At least on the block level, every 5G radio concept is available. But what type of radio they are using, who that manufacturer, what is their power rating, what type of antenna they are using. So that is a very important question, and directly nobody will answer that one. So if we visit some station, some say base station, you may say, or say Enode, maybe like that. So if we see that one, then some of the pictures may be clear. Then how a digital radio which is capable of reconfigurable, that is the that concept was there in community radio. So reconfigurable radio, reconfigurable antennas, how they will look. So just when you see that one, most of the concept will be also clear. And second point is related with the say organization or architecture of that 5G station, how it is organized, and how it becomes a form of a network. So that network design is again complex thing. Just so in last lecture, sir had told that they have installed about in millions of base stations. So it is a very complex thing, and part of the understanding of that, even if we see one of the base stations, that will be a beneficial for us. So even though this session is closed, it is not closed at all for most of us who are interested. Some of my friends are working in 5G technology. We may organize one of the small education tour to them. If anybody wish to come, you are always welcome. With this particular group we have formed, I may place an invitation if such type of things are arranged. And so those who are in the field of wireless communication, software defined radio, cognitive radio, so that tool will be definitely useful for us. So I am also thinking to arrange that one, but how many days it can be arranged, I don't know. But definitely, with the help of that, some of my friends, we can get clue of how the MSC works, how the Enode works, and actually how it is looking. See, whenever you see the say look of that particular technical articles or technical object, technical devices, many of my concepts will be clear. Because what will be the say connectivity of Enode B, what are the ports that antennas are supporting for the reconfigurable antenna. So that will be clear. So I think if some of us may have the contact, I think then you will be there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. anyone else want to share, you can just, we make all it. So you can just share your views from your place also.
Okay, that's very better. No, madam, please come. No, it's okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Madam. On behalf of my college, Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, I'm really heartful thanks to the Modern College for organizing such a beautiful event of the Faculty Development Program. We were working from last so many days related to your DAC and ND, and we truly in need of such regulations, and which you people have really provided to us. And after doing my all PhDs and everything, for the gap of 2 years, 3 years, we were looking for certain just gaps where we can find ourselves to work with. And this particular platform has provided a lot many information. It is an eye-opening, very informative. And apart from that, not only related to the 5G, what Munir sir was trying to say is that with our intelligence and with our diligency, DE, not I, we have to select the topic on the real-time domain, and to our sense, हमें जो अच्छा लगता है, हमें जो करना है, we have to think ourselves and do accordingly. It's not one who is telling and we are doing it like that way. So that, and just because of all the speakers, whatever the speakers you have selected, the experts you have selected, they were awesome. And the topics which they have given us, they have given a generalized platforms. So with our intelligence, we have to go ahead. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Definitely, ma'am. The platform is open for all of us to explore more on this research, in this research area. Now with this, I would like anyone else to share? So with this, we will go for the certificate distribution. For that, I would like to request our HOD and Vice Principal Dr. Mrs. Kamta Madam to distribute the certificates. Before that, I would like to request our information. Okay, so we'll go to the certificate distribution first. Please come ahead. Mr. Harihandan Singh. Dr. Deepika Pradhan.
Please come forward to
Dr. Deepika Pradhan.
मैडम 2 मिनट.
Okay.
ये मेरा फर्स्ट ऑफलाइन FDP है. तो जैसे कि अभी न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी की बात चल रही है, तो न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में एक वर्ड होगा जो सभी को जानते हैं, हॉलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. सो मैं उस हॉलिस्टिक वर्ड को अगर फैकल्टी के साथ ऐड करूंगा तो दिस FDP इज द हॉलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द फैकल्टी.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Deepika Pradhan. Mr. Mayur Gowde. Mrs. Loitpatak Vasanti. Dr. Gayatri Ambedkar.
अजूनही कुणाला काही शेअर करायचं असेल तर प्लॅटफॉर्म इज ओपन.
Mr. Digambar Agariya. Mrs. Chaitani Kazar. Chaitani Kazar. राजेश थोड़ा, मिसेस पूनम मुंडे, मिस एस.के. काकडे, मिस अनुराधा पंडित,
फोटो तयार करतोय मॅडम सर्टिफिकेट मला काही सांगायचं बोलायचं
Yes, AICT give us this opportunity to come here. Experts are very good. As far as Modern College ENDC department, a great work is done by this department because one thing is remaining. Then not a single minute wait for the any of the guests. Nothing. One single minute for the dinner also. Lunch also. Not a single minute for the. We are vacant every time they are given us some task to fulfill all the goals.
So they kept you engaged full time.
नाही पण वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम इज नॉट असं मुद्दाहून काहीतरी करायचं तर टाइम आहे कोणीतरी करा असं पण काही झालं नाही एकदम मोस्टली तर मॅडमचं पण की मी त्यांना सकाळीच म्हटलं की तुम्ही आमच्यासोबत आलात याला व्हिजिटला तेच आमच्यासाठी खूप आहे कारण आमच्याकडे असं होत नाही
आमची तीच ते युनिक पॉइंट आहे मॅडम इज विथ अस ऑल द टाइम फॉर एव्हरीथिंग
आणि पहिल्या दिवशी सुद्धा अगदी जेवण करताना सगळ्यांना विचारत पण होते
अनुराधा पंडित
डॉक्टर मोहम्मद भौमिक,
परत या
मिसेस शीतल चव्हाण, मिसेस शीतल पवार,
आणि कुणाला काही शेअर करायचे असतील ते घेऊ शकता.
मिसेस मंजुला मोरे, मिसेस पूनम डॉक्टर राधिका पुरंदरे,
Excuse me. Feedback for me.
मिस्टर विवेकानंद जोशी,
आणखी सांगायचं राहिलं की सगळ्या टॉपिक्सवरचे स्पीकर्स होते. देर वॉज समथिंग फॉर एव्हरीवन.
थोडे थोडे सगळे ऍस्पेक्ट कव्हर स्पेक्ट्रम
मिस्टर श्रीराम राव,
स्पेशली इंटरॅक्शन तुम्ही आणि प्रश्न विचारत होता त्यामुळे
मिताली पेटाळे,
So here, good afternoon everyone.
अनन्या मॅडम
Yes, sir, can you please tell me?
बाकीची कामं नंतर करू आपण.
इकडे
No
बसा,
problem.
इकडे बसा.
हा.
So good afternoon everyone. I must say this FDP was just a great experience to me and we all over here, and thank you very much. We could know Samir because of you people only. I was not knowing about Samir, and now we know about it and we will tell to the student and we will go more into the details of these all domains. Also, that is one thing. Second thing, Shravani madam's case studies she has discussed were excellent, and up to the field practical exposure we got through this FDP map. And apart from that, Dr. P.H. Rao, amazing. Those speakers you invited from IITs, from industries, I really thanks to you heartily. We academia people, we are in theory most of the times, we cannot relate to these things, right? So it gave us a great opportunity. Dr. P.H. Rao, he's working on that project of radioactive waste elements. Amazing. That idea is so beneficial to the society point of view. Love it. Again, the visit at Diet, that was also excellent. I heard of Diet in my college. I wanted to visit to that place, and it was also a very great exposure. We could see the optical technology over there, radar technologies over there, and thank you so much. This FDP was very beneficial to us from technical point of view, as well as I must appreciate the coordination people, because in such a FDP organization, lots of work at front end, back end, and so many people. It's a teamwork, of course. Yeah, and I must appreciate all the team. It's not like the only coordinator is doing. It's good to
It's
see.
not like that.
Everyone. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Everyone.
All our teaching, non-teaching faculty or our
Yes, that we have
everybody was
seen.
working.
Yes, madam. We have seen that everyone, even introducing to the speakers and all, everyone has participated into everything, and that was a great from your side. And apart from that, the participants, great energy for the participants as well. Question answer sessions were good questions were raised, and it was a good group to interact with. Thank you so much. Thank you, madam. And last but not the least, I would like to thanks to our Honorable HOD Dr. D.G. Bhalke sir, as well as Honorable Principal L.K. Wadhwa sir for providing us the opportunity to participate into this faculty development program. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Mrs. Jaya Vapore.
I would like to share Okay, myself, Mr. Jaya Vakure from D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi. So we have done many more FDPs during pandemic period. So I can now share my views with respect to offline, because this offline FDP under Atal, this is having more impact because the sessions was very much interactive. So we have done 4, 10, 15 FDP during pandemic, but the impact was zero. There was no something which we can think over that. But during these 6 days, I think each participant from us also, he or she will not think like that, I will skip this. Okay, so everybody has attended every session with full energy, and everybody is full involved in the sessions because the speakers are very, very awesome. The knowledge shared by them is very interesting, because we have
Still, I have not registered for PhD, but from this FDP now, I can say that there are many more topics over which I am okay. So thank you very much. And the organization from the Electronics Department of Modern Engineering College. This is also लर्निंग म्हणजे आमच्या सगळ्यांसाठी शिकण्यासारखं आहे की प्रत्येक गोष्ट टाइम मॅनेजमेंट, डिसिप्लिन, सिलेक्शन ऑफ द स्पीकर, कंडक्शन ऑफ द सेशन्स, एव्हरीथिंग वॉज एक्सलंट.
Good evening, everyone. Yeah, I'll take only 2 minutes. Yes. Because everybody has explained about the workshop. No doubt it was excellent. All speakers and everything was excellent. Team coordination, what can I say? No words. It was excellent. Yeah, one thing I want to point here and notice that when it was the first time article discussion, the coordinators here, they have really contributed a great because we have been given a very huge paper size. So I remember Mugdha ma'am was there and she told, may I help you and tell you what was there. So this was the excellent thing in the team coordination. As we have the group, ma'am, we have formed the group and we have come up with the reflection journal and some points we have discussed. So I request you that you please make this platform open for everybody. If inter-institute research can take place through this platform, we can generate some good papers. So I think this is a very good platform. I talked to Mugdha ma'am also that I am interested in this and this area. So in the same way, if anybody is interested, so here we can carry the inter-institute research.
Yes,
so,
sure.
I'm from MIT.
The modern
Instead of modern, I wrote MIT. So I'm from MIT Academy of Engineering, Alandi. And I would also like to take this opportunity to tell that we are also organizing Atal FDP, 6 days of Atal FDP on IoT and embedded systems. So please convey this message to your colleagues also.
Sure. Thank you.
A small interruption in between. If anyone is having attendance, please pass it on to the attendance. Please pass it on to Mr. Mahesh Kamhe. Mr. Adnan Savarkar.
ऍक्च्युली पहिल्या दिवशी मी जेव्हा इथे आले होते तेव्हा मी विचारलंही होतं सरांना की कम्प्युटरच्या लोकांना इथे काय स्कोप आहे. हे मला म्हणजे थोडी ॲम्बिग्युटीज होती की काय करायला पाहिजे. पण नेमकं DET मध्ये व्हिजिट अरेंज केली आणि तिथे जेव्हा तो ऑप्टिकल वेव्स ट्रान्समिशनवाला जेव्हा प्रोजेक्ट बघितला, आय वॉज व्हेरी क्युरियस टू सी दॅट. कारण तिथे मला माझे काहीतरी म्हणजे माझ्या फील्डमधले काही अल्गोरिदम्सचे नाव दिसले अँड आय वॉज व्हेरी क्युरियस. म्हणजे जी व्हिजिट होती त्याच्यामध्ये याला तर एक्सपोजर होतच इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे जे कॉन्सेप्ट आहे त्याला, पण त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त पहिल्यांदा तर श्रावणी मॅडम आल्या होत्या तेव्हा त्यांनी ECC वगैरे जेव्हा बोलल्या, डेफी हेल्मन जेव्हा बोलले, तेव्हा मला असं वाटलं की नाही समथिंग आय कॅन डू हिअर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट. म्हणजे जे सरांनी बोलले होते ते इट हॅज टू बी प्रूव्ड की वी कॅन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट अलाव मीन्स इन द कोलॅबरेशन. कारण जेव्हा DETला गेलो आपण तेव्हा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे सगळे कॉन्सेप्ट होते, पण तेव्हा इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गिव्ह द सिक्युरिटी वी पीपल कॅन गिव्ह आर मीन्स परफॉर्म आर बेटर रोल देअर. हे पण मला तिथे कळालं. आणि श्रावणी मॅडम तर माझ्या फील्डच्या असल्यामुळे त्याच्यामुळे मला असं वाटलं की नाही चला आपल्यासाठी पण काहीतरी वाढवून ठेवलेलं आहे. आणि फॅकल्टीजचं जर म्हणाला तर ऍक्च्युली मी गव्हर्नमेंट सेक्टरची आहे आणि गव्हर्नमेंट सेक्टरमध्ये दिसायला खूप छान असतं बाहेरून, पण सगळ्यांना आपला आपला एक इगो असतो. म्हणजे जर रिस्पेक्ट दिला नाही तर नोबडी विल कम ऑन द स्टेज असं होतं. मीन्स इफ वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कॉल एनीबडी गिव्ह रिस्पेक्ट, तर काय असतं त्यांना थोडा इगो हर्ट होतो, लेडी असू दे किंवा जेंट्स असू दे. म्हणजे हा माझा गव्हर्नमेंटचा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे. पण त्या दिवशी या सगळ्यांचं जेव्हा मॅडम आल्या, जोशी मॅडम, आणि तिथे बसल्या सगळ्यांमध्ये आणि चांगल्याने त्या बोलत होत्या, एव्हरी मीन्स आय वॉज कन्फ्यूज की वेदर शी इज द प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ द कॉलेज ऑर शी इज बिलॉंग्स टू द फॅकल्टी. तसं आमच्याकडे होत नाही मॅडम. म्हणजे मॅडम पण तुमच्यातल्याच होऊन राहतात आणि तुम्हामध्ये सगळ्यांमध्ये असं मी कोलॅबरेशन बघितलं की कोणालाच काही नसतं, सगळं व्यवस्थित झालं पाहिजे असं. आणि आमच्या याच्यामध्ये कसं असतं, असं लिस्ट ठरवून दिलेलं असतं की याला हेच काम करायचं आहे, दुसऱ्याचं असेल तर आम्ही डोकावणार नाही. पण हा इगो पॉईंट मला इथे दिसला नाही. म्हणजे एव्हरीबडी पार्टिसिपेटेड वेल. मुग्धा मॅडम पण त्या दिवशी जसं आर्टिकल डिस्कशनसाठी आय वॉज बिट कन्फ्युज. तो पेपर बघितल्याबरोबर तर माझं पण थोडं जेव्हा मॅडमनी सांगितलं की नेमकं काय करायचंय, माझं रिफ्लेक्शन जर्नलचं जे मागचं पेज आहे ते अजूनही थोडं कोरं आहे. कारण तिथे मी काय लिहू, मला आय एम नॉट गेटिंग द, म्हणजे ऐकलं खूप सगळं आहे पण एक्झॅक्टली त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे त्याच्यासाठी मी स्वतःलाच एक्सप्लोअर करायला पाहिजे. कारण इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सला जरी FDPला मी आले असेल तरी मला पण ती फील्ड, कारण आतापर्यंत मी नेटवर्क शिकवताना मॅडम फक्त जनरेशन ऑफ मोबाईल 1G 2G 3G 4G, पण याच्यामध्ये ते एवढं सगळं आहे. अँड आय कॅन डीप इन दॅट सी ऑल्सो, आणि आय कॅन एक्सप्लोअर माय नॉलेज. हे सगळं मला इथे, आणि तुमची जी व्हिजिट परत श्रावणी, बाकी सगळे लेक्चर्स तर फॅन्टॅस्टिक होते. मीच त्यातलं खूप काही घेऊ शकली नाही म्हणजे एक्सपर्ट बद्दल. आणि मॅडम रुपाली मॅडम बद्दल बोलायचं मला, त्या दिवशी मी मॅडमला अकोमोडेशन बद्दल बोलले, माझी व्यवस्था होऊन गेली होती, बट शी वॉज व्हेरी पॅनिक की मॅडमचं काय झालं असेल. मीन्स आउट ऑफ क्युरिओसिटी, म्हणजे इव्हन बिझी शेड्यूल असून सुद्धा 2-3 वेळा मॅडमनी मला पर्सनली विचारलं. आणि मॅडमला मी त्या दिवशी 2-3 दिवसांनी मला माहिती झालं की या रुपाली मॅडम आहे. शी वॉज इन हरी व्हेरी, बट तरी थोडाही वेळ जरी मिळाला तरी शी वॉज टू एंगेज मी की मी मॅडम काय झालं वगैरे वगैरे. म्हणजे आउट ऑफ क्लिअर शी वॉज इन्क्वायरिंग एव्हरीथिंग. आणि बाकीचं कोऑर्डिनेशन तर बोलायला शब्दच नाही होते. फंटास्टिक.
स्पीकरचं नॉलेज इन्सिडेंट झालं तर रिफ्लेक्शन चालू राहील मॅडम.
मिस्टर गजानन निपुणे, मिस सोनाली जाधव, डॉक्टर प्रवीण नाटे, मिस्टर प्रवीण सुरासुरा.
Everyone insisting to talk some point, and it is expected because really it is great experience to attend all these discussions. In spite of our college is I am from JSPM Rajarshi Shaw College of Engineering, is autonomous college, and now our exam is scheduled and I am is the deputy controller of examination. So, but my force is always that I want to attend the lecture. In spite of all these reason, from maybe 10 o'clock or maybe 1 hour, plus minus. But I'm sitting at the back and I'm listening all these things because expert is zabardast, teamwork is best. And madam, I think this is you got the autonomy also.
Yes.
So this is first for the starting of autonomy because in autonomous we learn lot of things, and as from an autonomous and maybe some of the again going for the private university. So next discussion is only the real problem statement and connect with the industry, and this is a good platform. You are connecting to the industry, you are calling the people from industry, and everyone from us, as Munir sir told that we want to work in a different way. That is only the solution to grow, and that 100% achieved by this full platforms. And really, madam, vice principal and HOD madam, 100% you are. That means here 100%. So it is great टीम के लिए ये बहुत मोरल बूस्ट होता है. आई थिंक यू नो दैट थिंग्स. Because Borde madam, More madam, I don't know the faces, but I read in browser. More madam, kudle. Chaudhary madam, and okay, madam. Thank you.
अच्छा लगा आपको इतनी दूर से आया?
अच्छा लगा. 5G के मेरे एक्सप्लोरेशन में coming from computer science background. I want to learn 5G, so I am here. And no need to say about FTP because everybody have told. One invitation from my college. Last 2 days here we have received an email from IEEE. So stating that in July we have an IEEE conference called as IEEE CONIT 2024. So please send your papers. It is Q2. So this time we have quartile 2. Please you can send your papers.
Share the brochure also.
Yes, I will share.
We'll keep that group open and you all keep sharing whatever you have.
You can add more people who are in this
Recently received the mail from IEEE. So I request on behalf of my institute to please do come. It is in both hybrid mode. We can present online as well as offline. Please do.
That's why you remember your name. So he said, okay, Shri Ganesha. That's where you know him.
You had accommodation?
Yes.
It was good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. A big round of applause for all of us. So with this, officially all our sessions are over. A gentle reminder to all of them to complete all the formalities and documentation required for the FTP certification. The feedback, reflection journal, article discussion, all these documents should be uploaded from your login. So please ensure to complete all the formalities. Thank you everyone.
Thank you everybody.
But please complete that quiz online AICT so that you get certificate from AICT as well. Otherwise, subject recording.
Madam.